Wow. Hi, I'm Dominic Bosco from RICERGANG Garage, and on this episode of RICERGANG, you're gonna watch my friend Kurt almost die on my son's four-wheeler. Thanks.
Can I do it on the grass?
Yeah.
Bro almost died.
Yeah. Welcome to the 2019 International Wheelie Competition. Oh my God. See, this is what he was trying to do, but
Brother, watch it. You're next to a puddle of piss on my hood.
yeah, dude, Kurt just peed all over that.
Can we
hood.
get some snow up in here again?
Kurt, Austin's got his phone out. We got to make an appearance so the YouTube video gets views.
Hey, I'm here.
Funny. We're trying to break into Alex's car in the mirror hole with a coat hanger.
Right.
This is the worst
Yeah,
experience
it's not
of my
gonna
life.
work. Dumb.
What, Kurt?
Try praying for it.
Oh God, he pulled out the guitar.
Trying to break into this IS300. When it must go.
Why did I get volunteered to do this? Is it because I look the most sketchy?
You think that'll work?
I don't know, I'm thinking.
Got a flat tire.
Yeah, I see it.
It's off the rim.
I saw it the second.
The TV.
I crash when I do that.
He's a member of the 130 boys. Basically what they do is they wipe out every now and then. So.
What's happening, bro?
No! No! Who is it? Who is this guy? And
I dropped these pliers and they landed like that.
Austin Jane is being officially promoted to a funny guy. Lost for words.
Yo, that thing bussin'.
What, my ass?
No, Kurt's.
Oh.
You're pretty caked up too.
Oh, that's what.
Yes!
You!
Yes!
Close it, close it, close it.
Yes! Fuck yeah!
I locked it and closed it. It's on me now.
Alright.
Oh, I thought you were Kurt. You guys got the same hair, so I just thought it was Kurt.
Oh man, bro.
Pop the hood, bro. Pop the hood.
See it? Look at
Pop the
the hood and shut up.
Bro.
There it is. I'm here in this mess of a garage. Today I'm coming at you with some footage of me getting the suspension off the 180SX, grinding some of the undercoating off, and somewhere in between there, I put a Tomei Hilfiger exhaust on a Bag 350Z. Enjoy. I'm here on this very snowy day. Upside down car. Gonna start taking some suspension off it, get all this undercoating off. Before I do any of that, I gotta wrap up this little guy.
All done. Have a good nap, friend. Gonna take off the front subframe and front tension rod brackets. When I'm done that, I will move to the rear subframe. Ran out of storage there. What else is new? Got the front stuff all off. Onto the rear. Got all the suspension arms off, subframes out. My girlfriend's still not done her hair appointment, so I got time to try and get the gas tank off. SX gas tank. Ooh. I guess that's gonna wrap it up for today. Gotta get some other stuff done. So next time you see us, or me, I guess, I will be wire wheeling the chassis. Exciting stuff. Whatever. Boring progress is progress. Cut off these whack intercooler hangers. I don't know who welded any of this, but I hope they never touch a welder again. It's disgusting. What is that? And look at, now my toe hooks are all gross. Yuck. It's been a while since I've taken subframe bushings out. It does not get any more fun. I started last night, but I was being too loud and it was quite late, so I figured I'd finish up today. Just like that. I hear something. yeah, we got a 350Z with an obvious toe issue. We got these beautiful FDF spring buckets, and then adding another Tomei box to my recycle collection. Alright, all done. As you would have seen in this guy's video, fitment's on point. Had to work on this side a bit, but it's still got to go for an alignment, so I'm not going to get it too perfect. But gonna go take it around the block, and this guy's going to get a couple sound clips.
Alright, calling it a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give a comment if you wanted to make a comment about this video. If you liked it, generally you leave a thumbs up. Don't have to. Have a good night.